Hi, I'm Ellen Phillips, and I'm the proud president of the ALS Association's Greater Philadelphia chapter. I'm here today to talk about one of my favorite events, the annual luncheon. This has been going on since 1983, and I'm encouraging you all to attend. We have a wonderful program that day. Our luncheons always include the Phillies and their presentation to us. And sometimes the Fanatic makes a surprise appearance. But the meat of the program is our tribute to veterans with ALS. We are honoring veterans with ALS. And we believe strongly that this is such an important topic for us and are hoping to expand the knowledge of veterans with ALS to many, many people. Veterans develop ALS twice the amount as those who do not have ALS. My husband Alan, pictured here 30 years ago, developed ALS, and he was also a veteran. There are many people who we have loved and lost who have been veterans, and the program itself will be a tribute to those who have ALS now and others who have lost their battle. We will be featuring Patrick Murphy, very devoted to our cause, also Don Farrell, one of our current vets fighting ALS, and Danielle Fitzpatrick Mariano, whose father had ALS. Please join us. It's destined to be a wonderful day in the fight against ALS.